Hey everybody, so you're so excited, you finally got your Vevor sewing machine, you got the table put together, you got the machine put on top of it, you got it wired up, and you turn it on for the first time, and what happens? You get an E-05 error here on the screen, and that means error 05. This is super simple to fix, and don't go blaming Vevor, this is something you did, and I'm going to explain it to you here in just a second. Okay, so when you first turn on your machine, it's going to go through a series of checks and you're going to get this. It's an E-05, an error 05. So in servo motor language, what the E-05 means is a communication error between the motor and the pedal or the pedal switch. And how do machines communicate to each other? Through wires. Well, the first thing that we're going to check is we're going to check the wire going from the motor switch to the machine itself. Okay, so I probably get, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 emails a week from people telling me that they have the 05 error and they don't know what to do. So all I do is I share this little nugget of information. They check it on their machine and they're writing me back, usually in like 30 minutes. You know, Jason, thank you so much. You saved my life. Well, all it is this is the cable that goes from that little switch box so you've got your pedal and you got that rod going up and then it goes to that little switch box. This is the wire that comes out of that switch box. And if you look at it, it's just 4 pins and it's only using 3 of them. But they're supposed to be square. But this one has a little tiny notch that's supposed to keep it from being plugged in wrong. Well, all you have to do is make sure that this little plug thing right here that you unlock it with has to be facing this way. Has to be facing this way towards the rear of the machine. And on the top, there will be a red, a green, and a blue. Red needs to be on the bottom, and then green and blue are at the top. So if you just plug this back in, and again, make sure that this release plug is facing this way towards, you know, the end of the sewing machine. And on the top, you should have the green and the blue wire, and the red wire should be at the bottom. Once you've got that done and you've got it pushed in really, really good, let's turn the machine back on. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the machine back on. Look at there. We have fixed the error 05, and it was that easy. And don't feel bad. The same thing happened to me, and that's when I found out what the problem was. And that plug is not made very good, and it will let you plug it in wrong. It'll let you plug it in incorrectly, and it'll say E-05 on here. So again, just make sure that that little prong is facing this way on your machine. And at the top, you should have the green and the blue wires, and underneath, it should be red. Get that done, and I guarantee that E-05 will go away. I hope this helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, and y'all have a great week.